It wasn't until about 1800 that metal stoves with flues vented steam and smoke outdoors. Today, factories make encased fans that powerfully ventilate and also light the hob of your oven. The range hood sits above your simmering masterpiece, removing nasty niffs from your kitchen. No matter how well you cook, steam and smoke are inevitable. Fortunately, the range hood's fan clears the air in seconds. Production begins with this computer-guided machine. It cuts out a sheet of galvanized steel to make part of the hood's housing. A 300-ton press then perforates the sheet and cuts out up to 50 openings for screws, wiring, and exhaust outlets. Another panel for the housing is inserted in a 25-ton press. The machine bends the steel in 2 places. This component will be used to make a circular channel that evacuates smoke and steam, which often contains grease particles. Another machine with 3 rollers forms the circular channel that fits around the blower to direct air out through the exhaust. Here, a spot welding machine joins 2 corners of the hood's housing. This is mainly for aesthetics. A weld looks better than a screw or bolt. This 80-ton press bends the hood's shell, making one of 8 folds that gives the component its final shape. A plastic coating that protected the steel during the cutting is removed. A sticker with a product ID is applied. Then, a pad printing machine marks the brand name, one of 12 this factory produces. This is the first of 8 stops on an assembly line. A transformer is installed to power the blower's motor and 2 halogen lights. This circuit board regulates several functions, including 3 light intensities and the blower's 4-speed motor. The board is attached to the housing with 3 screws. This panel has lights that indicate which functions are active. Next, the blower's 165-watt electric motor is installed. The motor attaches with 3 screws into rubber bushings that reduce noise. Then, light sockets made of heat-resistant plastic are attached. The blower's housing snaps into place around the motor. A little silicone on the housing ensures an airtight seal around the blower. Then the blower wheel is installed. The lights are tested. Pressing this button 3 times increases the intensity of the light. There's 1 button for each of the motor's speeds. After a panel is snapped on to enclose the hood assembly, a plastic ring is attached to direct air through the blower. A computer system tracks each model's assembly. When workers complete a step, they input it into the system. An optical scanner also senses when they remove a part from one of 25 cubby holes, like these removable air filters made of mesh aluminium. The tracking system is called poker yoke, a Japanese-inspired method that ensures thorough assembly. It follows each model until workers place it in a box for shipping. The system's final task is to ensure that the guarantee card and installation manual are put in. Once the box has been stapled closed, a machine with suction cups picks it up and stacks it on a pallet. All this work so you can stay in the kitchen even if you can't stand the heat.
never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got